Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're making this keto sweetened condensed milk bread. It is so good. It's super soft and fluffy, and it just has this really nice sweet flavor because of course we're using sweetened condensed milk. And this is actually my keto sweetened condensed milk recipe. It's super simple to make the sweetened condensed milk itself, and then we just use that as a topping for our bread and also in the bread itself. And it just makes for this like extra soft, sweet bread that's great on its own, but it's also good with butter. Overall, this is just delicious. I tried to show you guys the texture, but the bread was so hot when I was filming this and the light was going away, so I just did the best I could. But anyways, really hope you guys like this recipe. This does use my keto flour, so if you do not have it, I will still link to other fun recipes below that you can try instead. My flour is just really cool. I designed it a while back and I sell it on my website now. And basically it just acts as a white flour replacement and it makes keto baking a lot easier. So anyways, as always, you can find information about that in the description box below. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much.